So I'm sitting in traffic here on the 55 on a Monday morning where traffic is at its peak. Good thing about this Model 3 is that it has autopilot, and you can activate it by double shifting down on the shift column here to activate it. And now you can sit back and relax. Make sure your hands on the wheel, because it does have a sensor that will detect if your hands are on the wheel for, I believe, 80 seconds, and it will alert you with a visual warning and then the audio warning, and I'll demonstrate that in a second. So here's the visual warning when my hand hasn't been detected on the steering wheel for more than 80 seconds. So it starts flashing more rapidly, and as you can hear, the audio warning just came on, and now it's gonna disengage itself. So after the audio warning and visual warning, if you don't put your hands back on the steering wheel while on autopilot, the car will disengage autopilot, put your hazard light on, and slows down. And now, for the duration of the drive, autopilot will not be functional. So as you can see, and there's a warning sign that say it's disengaged because I did not follow the rules. So there you have it, guys. Make sure you have your hands on the steering wheel even though you're on autopilot.